Thaa ithano mathaa ma Afrika ya irathiro gikombe gia World Cup mwaka uyu nigikinyire guku bururi-ini kiumite bururi wa Ethiopia. Gikombe giki kiria muhotani wa World Cup agakorwo akiinukia kiamukirio ni CS wa mathako guku bururi-ini Rashid Achesa igongo-ina riria rigemirio na nyimbo na ndohiu.
We as a ministry, together with the Federation of FKF, we have decided that we are going to nurture talents down from the grassroots up to the national level, so that in the near future, Kenyans can also own this cup, not just for the cup to be brought in the country for Kenyans to view.
Kuma kiharo-ini kia Jomo Kenyatta gikombe giki gitwarirwo thingira-ini wa iregi kuria mutongoria wa bururi akiamukirire.
I want to say on behalf of all Kenyans that we are truly grateful both to Coca-Cola and FIFA for once again picking Kenya as one of the countries during this Cup's tour across the world. It shows considerable partnership, friendship, and the growing contribution, I would say, of our partners in terms of helping us develop our sports in this country.
Niguo kuririkana igongona riri timu ya bunge nikorirwo ikirika kiharo na ciana cia thukuru niguo gukungwira undu uyu. Mutongoria wa bururi ni augite ati mathako ni undu umwe wa maundu maria ukorwa githingiriria itiri riake ria keri ria wathani.
The devolved function to see the number of governors who are here today to join us as we both celebrate this day and the arrival of this cup, but also as a sign of partnership between the national government and the county government in developing sporting activity across the country.
Kuma gucerera ria gikombe giki rikurora bururi-ini wa Mozambique, South Africa, Uganda, Nigeria, Cote d'Ivoire na kurekirira icera gitaro-ini kia Africa bururi-ini wa Misri kana Egypt. Mabũrũri ma Nigeria, Tunisia na Senegal ni mamwe maria mako magituma team World Cup ya mwaka uyu. Mutongoria wa bũrũri ari na mwihoko ati Kenya ni twakorwo tugituma timu itu muthenya umwe. Handũ-ini ha metha ya mathako ya Kameme TV kuma uko State House kiharo-ini, ritwa riakwa ni Mugure wa Karuiru.